Hello everybody, it's me, Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a fantastic day so far today, because today here it is a very cloudy, blah day, and it's one of those days where you just kind of want to like stay in your pajamas, stay on the couch and watch TV and order pizza for dinner. That's where I'm at today. That is the kind of day I am having, but I also wanted to show you guys what I got in my Knit Crate for June. This is a very exciting month for Knit Crate. I'm going to show you guys exactly what's going on inside here, and I think you guys are going to absolutely love it because I am super excited about it. First, it comes in this nice box, and I think they must alternate between box and bag because I've only been receiving Knit Crate for 3 months now, and the first one I got came in a bag, and then the last two, last month and this month, it came in this really cute box. So I'm super excited about what's inside, and I'm going to show you guys what's in here. This month is all about bright colors, so if you are a fan of bright colors, you are really going to love the colorways for this month. Their theme for this month is ice cream. Can you see that? I can't tell. It's ice cream, like S-C-R-E-A-M, S-C-R-E-A-M. I can spell and read sometimes. But yeah, it's all about bright colors and just summertime, and it's a really fun crate. And it's a really super soft yarn. You can't choose what color you get, but there are 4 different colors in this month's membership or Knit Crate membership crate. Try to say that really fast, like a million times. I can't do it. The Knit Crate membership is the one that I get. There's like, I think 4 or 5 different crates you can get. This is the one that I get. It's just the Knit Crate membership crate, and it comes with 2 skeins of yarn, a knit pattern, and a crochet pattern. I'm going to show you my yarn up close, and the lovely color. This is the lovely color. It's like a mint teal, like greenish, I don't know, it's just a very nice, super soft, and the reason it is so super soft is because this is what's going on inside the yarn. 75% superwash merino, 15% nylon, and 10% cashmere. So you can honestly say it is a cashmere blend yarn. I've never had the privilege of working with cashmere blend yarns, so I'm pretty excited, and it's a great value. That is the one thing that I've really noticed this month in particular is the value. You're getting 2 skeins of a cashmere blend yarn. Each one has 437 yards, and you get 2 patterns, a knit pattern and a crochet pattern, which I'm going to show you here in just 1 minute, but you get it all for like $24.99. So you can't buy that in a store. You could not buy just one of these for $24.99 in a store. Well, you might be able to. Like a local yarn store, you could probably buy 1 skein or 1 hank of this cashmere blend. Pretty awesome premium yarn for about $24.99. That's probably the going rate. And here are the patterns. This is the crochet pattern. It's a super cute yellow. It could be any color they send you. The colorways for June is like a bright red, or you could get a light like sky blue, you could get a very bright yellow like this, or you could get this teal minty green color, which this is the knit pattern, and it's hard to really see it because the background of the card kind of matches the color of the yarn, but it's a nice shawl with fringe and nice detail. But yeah, so you're either going to get a red, a bright yellow, a light blue or a sky blue, or this minty teal color. That is if you go with the Knit Crate membership crate. Try to say that. It's very difficult. All right. So yeah, that's what I got. I got this beautiful minty green soft cashmere blend yarn. Almost feel like a yarn snob. Getting there. Not really there yet. But yeah, it's a very nice yarn. Great value this month, guys. And like I said, they have other crates to choose from. You can get a sock crate. You can get a sock artisan crate. You can get an artisan crate. You can get they have a quarterly, like, luxe crate. But yeah, if you check out the website, link is in the description below. click on that link. It'll take you to their website. You can see everything that's going on, all the prices, all the shipping is included in all the prices. So they all have different price points. Like I said, the Knit Crate membership, the one that I receive, is $24.99. They were kind enough to provide me with a coupon code for 20% off. All you have to do is at checkout use coupon code NERVOUS20 and it'll save you 20%. Pretty awesome there. But yeah, that was my month's Knit Crate this month of June. Super excited. But yeah, so that's gonna be it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so now. Don't forget to click that bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload. And links are in the description below if you want to follow me on Facebook or join my private Facebook group. And don't forget to check out Knit Crate. Again, that link is in the description below as well. And don't forget to use code NERVOUS20 at checkout to save you 20%. They ship worldwide and shipping is included in the price and you can cancel your subscription at any time. So that is going to be it for today, guys. I hope you all have a super wonderful, fabulous day and happy knitting, happy crocheting. Bye!